Found this beautiful digital backdrop on Etsy. It's listed for $5 and it's converting at over 2.6%. It's simple, elegant, and clearly in demand. And it reminded me of something I've seen AI do really well. So I opened MidJourney to see if I could create something in the same style. I used a tool called Everbee to check the listing stats, views, tags, and that sweet 2.6 conversion rate. If you're on Etsy and you're not using Everbee, you're flying blind. It tells you what's getting clicks, what's converting, and what keywords are trending. I've seen a lot of digital products like this lately, the soft florals, painterly textures, seamless backdrops for newborns, maternity edits, and it made me wonder how close we could get to that aesthetic using AI. So I opened MidJourney and tried to find a similar image with a prompt that we could use to get the same floral feel. And here's the prompt that I used to get this look. It's inspired by that soft style, minimal floral and matte, perfect for digital backdrop designs. You're going to want to type in soft red floral wall watercolor, group of small flowers on darker texture backdrop, floral detailed matte. We're going for a aspect ratio of 2:3, stylization of 5,000. If you're using a newer version, you're going to want to drop that stylization. You can only go between 0 to 1,000. But I like to always try the newest version of MidJourney, and even with the older prompts that I find, and see how it looks now. A lot of times it'll look even better. But in this case, it didn't quite hit the mark with the watercolor look. So I went back to the older version. And that's all it takes is one sentence, and you have a high quality printable that photographers can use in Canva or Photoshop, ready to sell on Etsy. Now let's drop it into Canva. So this is what sells. It's a clean, seamless backdrop, ready to use in portrait sessions, newborn edits. You don't need hundreds of listings, just a few polished prompts like this, each with variations in color, mood, floral type, and you can turn it into bundles that sell for $9.99 or more. So be sure to change the flower colors. So instead of red, you might go to white, pink, to help you create that bundle. It's low effort, high value, and it looks like handcrafted art. If you want to spot trending products before they get saturated, Everbee is definitely a must. I use it to test every idea and check the demand before I start making anything. And if you want more MidJourney prompts like this, designed for real product potential, be sure to click the subscribe button. I drop a new one at least every week. Thanks for watching. Be sure to leave a comment and tell me what images you're looking for next.